Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block or restrict users from installing programs and apps in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is powered on and fully loaded. Wait until everything is ready and your desktop appears before moving forward. This ensures all system processes are running smoothly so you won't encounter any delays when accessing the security settings we need. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Run in the search field and press Enter. This will open the Windows Run dialog box, which is a powerful tool for quickly accessing various system utilities and settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. Now, in the Run dialog box, you'll see a text field where you need to enter a specific command. Type in mmc.exe space secpol.msc. Make sure to type this exactly as shown. If you need to, feel free to pause the video here to copy the command accurately, as even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. Once you've entered the command correctly, hit Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Local Security Policy window, which gives you access to advanced security configurations for your system. This is where you can control various user permissions and restrictions to keep your computer secure. On the left side of the Local Security Policy window, you'll see a menu with several folders. Look for and click on Local Policies to expand it and reveal additional options. This folder contains all the core security settings that affect user behavior on your system. Once you've expanded local policies, click on Security Options from the list that appears. This section is specifically designed to manage how users interact with security features, including installation permissions and user account controls. Now direct your attention to the right side of the window. You'll see a long list of Windows policies. These policies control everything from login requirements to application permissions. Scroll down through this list until you find the policy labeled User Account Control, Behavior of the Elevation Prompt for Standard Users. This particular policy determines what happens when a standard user tries to perform an action that requires administrator privileges, such as installing new software. Double-click on this policy to open its configuration window. A new dialog box will appear with a drop-down menu that lets you choose how Windows handles these situations. Click on the drop-down menu and select Automatically Deny Elevation Requests from the available options. This setting ensures that standard users will be completely blocked from installing programs or making system changes without administrator approval. Once you've selected this option, click Apply to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully blocked standard users from installing programs and apps on your Windows 11 system, adding an extra layer of security and control. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.